tell me this movie has that pipe sound.
Just chilling at my grandma's. And then, look, let me rewind it. Dude, I'm trying to... God dang it. Look, let me show you. Go back. Let's go back. About here. Wait, not about here, but just wait. I might have to blur those faces.
Light, please. Thank you.
Not sure if this movie is copyrighted. Actually, I take that back.
Welcome to Staten Island Ferry. These old boats are full of all kinds of surprises. The key is just go with the weirdness.
Okay. It's you about to hear it.
On the water, you know, sun in my face, wind in my hair, dungeon of this one.
You hear it? You hear it? Yeah, I heard that clearly.